Ano ba ang pagiging kapamilya?
Siguro maya-maya. Tingnan natin. Tatry ko i-feel. Pero masaya. Pero masaya.
Ikaw, Sophie.
Nakakamangha. Wow, lalim. Ang daming tao kasi sa amin. Pero dati, and hindi naman first time ito. Kasi nung bata ako, nag-workshop ako dito sa ABS. Pero sobrang iba na niya.
And she's related to the Queen of all media. You are, right?
Yeah, she's media.
Chris Aquino.
So happy experience. So big.
Elmo.
Wala, territory ng ate ko. No, but I'm really happy na Star Cinema got this film. And pinayagan naman kami ng network namin to be a part of this, and I'm happy for that.
That you get to see Kapamilya there, program.
Parang ano lang, parang it's a big gathering, and yun, it's fun.
Nahingit ka ba sa akin mo?
I'm happy for her actually.
Thank you.
Actually, yung okay dito, kasi I purposely got people from different stations para unified. Ayoko yung may away-away. Gusto ko makita sila as actors. Oo, gusto ko relax na makita iba't iba na basta walang labels, walang ano. Just pure actors, and it's a movie. Buti na lang na distribute ng person.
Another cast pala of this movie.